Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will answer to the question if Samsung Galaxy A26 5G supports dual SIM. So here I have the phone Galaxy A26 5G, and to answer to this question you need a little pin, and with this one go in the left side of your phone, just put the pin here inside the hole and push it. Now remove the slot, and let's take a closer look. And here you can put the SIM 1. Let's do it. You need a nano SIM, and you need to put it like this. And here, yes, you can put the second SIM. You need also a nano SIM, and you can put it like this. This is the right position. So the answer is yes. Samsung Galaxy A26 5G is dual SIM. And now just put the SIM tray inside the phone like this and push it, and that's all. So yes, Samsung Galaxy A26 5G is dual SIM, and you can use it for two networks if you want. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.